Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. So the first thing that we want to do is to open your Instagram app. And then, we will be going to your profile page. To do that, just tap on this profile icon at the bottom. And then, as you can see right here, Edit Profile. Just tap on that. It will then direct you here. As you can see, on the profile information page, you can tap on this to connect or create your page. So now again, just tap on page. This will now allow you to connect or create a Facebook page. Now just tap on continue. If you have an existing Facebook page, you can just tap on Connect to Facebook. Just tap on this option, Log in to Facebook, and then you will choose the Facebook page that you want to connect your Instagram account. For example, this one. And then after that, just tap on Connect. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.